So far we have designed the lighting system using manual calculation. So now we are going to design the lighting system for an office building using the Dialux software, Dialux Evo. So in this software, in this portion, you can open the existing project that you have. Like I have an existing project, so I can open this using double click. And if you don't have any project, you can go and create this project. Suppose you have an AutoCAD drawing of a building, of any building, shopping mall, anything. You can open this building and start creating your lighting system here. So I have already a drawing, AutoCAD drawing. So I'll start building the lighting system on that. So let's click on here. So this is a 2D AutoCAD drawing for an office building. So first of all, what I will do, I'll make this 2D drawing into 3D drawing. Then I will visualize the system, lighting system that we are going to design. So I have opened this 2D drawing. So I have to first of all set the drawing scale. So it is already designed in millimeters, so it is already taken. First of all, we will learn a little bit about these tabs. So this is the construction tab, this is light, calculation, export, documents, manufacturer. So in the construction tabs, what we do, there are different options to make this 2D drawing into 3D drawing. Okay, so I will come first, click on this option site and name this site, suppose office area. And you can keep the description also, properties areas, what kind of properties, general circulatory area, outdoor workspace. You can select this also, building site. And you can see here maintenance factor that we have discussed earlier. While selecting the luminaires, factor is going to be very important for you. And site alignment is not required for us. Background you can change here. So this is the site I have taken. So in this office area site, this is the drawing and this is site. In the site, I'll make a building. You can make different building. I'll start building the first building. So draw a new building. What is the process for that? You have to just mark the outer portion of the building, of the drawing. So I'll start from here. You have to mark all the corners. To create the building block. So I have already marked all the corners, outer corners. So you can view this in 3D model. So 3D view is already created for the building. So let's name it building 1. So building 1 is already created. So you can see here, as soon as building 1 is created, so new option is coming, that is draw new indoor contour. So now you can make the room also. So this is building 1. Inside building, so let's say I want to make the ground floor first. So floor 0. Let's say floor 0. Floor 0. So in the office area in building 1, I am going to create the floor 0, or I mean ground floor. So let's make the room for the ground floor. Room 1 is created. You can view in 3D. See here, room 1 is created. So like this, I'll create the other room also. You can right click. So room 2 is also created. Now let's create the room 3. So similarly other rooms will be created. Similarly corridor will be also created like this. So you can see in the 3D view all the room have been created. Room creation is completed except the staircase portion. So now we will name this room one by one. To name this room, assessment zones, you have to come to the assessment zone. Go to the 2D view. Suppose room 1 is office. Let's say total room height, I mean this height is 3 meter, let's say. So make this 3 meter. Office, where writing, typing, reading and data processing job will be done. So this option is very much important because depending on these options, luminaire standards will be selected. So properly choose this room and what purpose you are going to use this room. And in the office, a working plane is required on the table height or something. So we can take it 0.8 meter. So we have already discussed this before. And the room 2 is, let's say, kitchen. Room height is 3. Kitchen also work plane is required. Toilet, room height 3 meter, no work plane required. And this is bathroom or toilets. Let's say this is store, work plane not required in the store. Room height is 3 meter. Storeroom, store and stock rooms. This is, let's say, library. Room height 3 meter. Work plane required. Room 6 is a general room. Work plane not required. Room height is 3 meter. Let's say waiting room. This is control room, let's say electrical control room. Room height is 3 meter. Work plane not required. And this is conference room. Room height 3 meter. Yes, working plane required. Conference or meeting room, working plane required. Let's say this is another office, office 2. Work plane required, room height 3 meter. And this is, let's say, CAD work, technical drawing room. And this is corridor. No work plane required, 3 meter room height. Room for general use. Whenever we design a lighting system, we always take the condition for night. Okay, corridor completed. Now this is room 11. This is entrance hall. Entrance. Working plane not required, 3 meter room height. Entrance hall. So now let's see the first floor in 3D view. So all the rooms, entrance, corridor has been created. So building have been created, floor have been created. Now we have to place the gates and windows.